Wow, that's... Whoa! It's really hot. Oh! Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil. This is a very exciting moment. I'm going to try and get this video out as quickly as possible today because I went to McDonald's. I'm at my dad's house, by the way, or granddad's. Tomorrow sees the release of the McDonald's Minecraft Adult Happy Meal. I'm going to see if I can try and make a video on that. But I was just at the drive-through window and I said, is there any chance I could get some Nether sauce, some Nether Flame Sauce? And she said, wait a moment. And so she came back and so I've got, is that in focus?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh wait, it's gone out of focus.
Oh, I'll hold it still. I've got some Nether Flame Sauce, so I thought I'd open it up as a little preview, a little unboxing before the adult meal is released tomorrow. Obviously you're watching this in the future and this has all been and gone. I'm a little bit too excited about the Nether Flame Sauce, and also ahead of the release tomorrow you can already get the McFlurry, Apple Pie McFlurry. This is the mini one. And it's supposed to look a bit Minecraft. Is that Minecrafty?
Well, it's got Minecraft blocks in it that are green, so
Green.
I suppose it's close enough.
What blocks are green in Minecraft?
Grass blocks.
Grass blocks. Okay, so it's got some grass blocks in the McFlurry.
Yummy.
So I haven't quite got the Happy Meal, but I've got the Nether Flame Sauce. So I thought I'd do a taste test. This is a whole video about a dip. And we'll open it up and I'll show you all the ingredients as well if you want a little sneak preview of the Nether Flame Sauce. Maybe you want to make some Nether Flame Sauce yourself. I don't know if this is any help. I've got a helper behind the camera. Do you want to eat some of this with me?
Yeah.
I have no idea how hot this flame sauce is. The word nether kind of implies that it's going to be very hot. So let's open up the Nether Flame Sauce. Should we do that? So for today, I went for a Philly cheese stack, and I know there's all kinds of problems. I've got beef with McDonald's. Of course, there's the contribution that beef has to global warming, and there's the plastic as well, and the health concerns. But I'm a bit too excited about the Minecraft Adult Happy Meal. That's for future me to worry about. This is what the pack looks like. And it's the best before date's July. I'll give you a full tour of the label in a moment, but should we open this up? Let's open up this bad boy. And we've got some fries over there waiting. I couldn't help myself before then.
They're cold.
So I've got my trusty assistant. Try and open it so I can sell it on eBay.
What?
Oh, it looks a bit like the sweet chili sauce, doesn't it? Now, do you want to...
I think they just plastered a label on it to get people to buy it.
Oh, do you think? It could be the sweet chili sauce, couldn't it? But Nether Flame implies...
It smells like sweet chili.
Yeah, give me some big close-ups. I'll use these in the opening. So you're seeing this again now. This is the first time, and we're eating this a day ahead of release.
You can smell how spicy it is. You have it.
Thanks. The manager was at the window. And so she... Yeah, it was really lucky, and she really did not have to give me this. I didn't ask very hard. I did ask nicely, but it's got the same colour as the sweet chili sauce, and I can smell the chili. Yeah. I can smell the chili. Like, I'm shaking with excitement. It's my benign tremor there. Okay, so we're gonna go for the taste. Don't you want to taste it first?
No, you taste it first.
Yeah, you want me to. Okay, so here we go.
You're the guinea pig.
Nether Flame Sauce from McDonald's. Wow, that's... Whoa! It's really hot. Oh! It's really hot. It's like my mouth is now numb hot. I didn't have that much on there. I might need some of this McFlurry.
That's a scam. That's how they do it.
It is. I went for the mini as well. Hang on. Oh, it's really hot. It is really hot. Do you want to try some?
I'm scared. I don't like spicy.
No, you don't. Well, be careful with this.
Literally the smallest amount.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared.
You should be. You should be, because it is really hot. Yeah? Can you taste it?
Oh, it's like numbed the back of my tongue. Oh!
Yeah.
I didn't even have that much. Can I uncrack this?
Yeah, I was going to do beauty shots of that, but alright. Can you like...
It isn't that beautiful.
It.
Okay.
And what is the Apple Pie McFlurry like?
It tastes like apple.
Oh, that's good. Does it taste like fake apple? Like the
Yeah, like the sweet
like
candy kind of apple.
you get erasers that smell like apple. Does it smell like one of those? Does it taste like one of those?
Yeah, it tastes like you would get like an
I'll just try
apple
that
flavoured
bit.
lollipop.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Okay.
The crushed up blocks are basically just blocks of like block sweets.
Block sweets, like soft apple block sweets.
Yeah.
You look like you enjoy it. Would you eat any more of the Nether Flame Sauce?
Well, and personally, actually maybe a little bit.
Right, so this is interesting because it's an adult Happy Meal. I think it might be the first adult Happy Meal. I think you get this as part of it. We'll find out tomorrow. And we're saying that's a good thing. You might end up eating it while you're eating the Nether Flame Sauce. Should we go for another dip of the sauce? Hang on.
No, I'm not going to dip that much. You're going to eat this.
Okay, here we go. Oh, you've gone for a big bit. Okay.
No, this is supposed to be for you.
Oh, really? Okay, here we go. Nether Flame Sauce.
It takes a second to hit, you know.
When it first hits your mouth, it's lovely. It's quite sweet. And then there's this afterkick. It's really hot. I might go for a bit of McFlurry. This is Apple Pie McFlurry. Oh yeah. Oh. It's like those sweets that used to get. It's almost like dolly mixtures materials, like dolly mixtures in the UK, with a really super hard apple kick. You want to try some? Now you've lost your taste recently. Mm-hmm. Can you taste any of it?
Tastes like mushy peas.
Well, for mushy peas, you seem to be enjoying it. You can't taste the apple.
No, I can, yes.
Oh, that's good.
Tastes like I could eat all this.
Yeah, well, go for it. Let me show you now what the Nether Flame Sauce is made of. Maybe you want to make some of this yourself at home. Let's take a closer look at the packaging, and I'll give you a big close-up of the ingredients. On the reverse, I don't know if you can see this, but the best before date is 25th of July 2025, and this is how the packaging looks close up. And I'm going to go close on the ingredients. So we have Nether Flame Sauce, 25 millilitres, best before see bottom of pot, and then the ingredients are hot, it says hot chili sauce. Oh, wonder how hot it is, we'll find out. Ingredients: water, spirit vinegar, sugar, apricot pulp, bell pepper, chili, 3.5%. Is that percent? Yeah, sorry, it's a bit blurry, I'm going as close as I can. Modified starch, salt, rapeseed oil, spices, thickener, xanthan gum, spice extract. And the importer is Martin Brouwer. A great piece of importing there, Martin. That's the address to go if you want some Nether Flame Sauce. And there's another address at the bottom here, German address, Deverly Senf and Finecast. And I wonder if that's the company that developed the Nether Flame Sauce. Let me know in the comments what you think. And there's an address there in Germany. And interestingly, it says copyright McDonald's 2025. There's no Minecraft copyright on there. But that's the Nether Flame Sauce. And there's a Minecraft McDonald's. So even though I have beef at the moment with McDonald's, I am calling the Apple Pie McFlurry and the Nether Flame Sauce Dad Delivers success. Thank you for any comments or any questions. I'll try to answer them. This is probably going to run out of the pot now. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going, so thank you. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.